for today's video is kukonfigure natin yung lab5, which is yung system configuration dialog. Okay, so meron tayong isang switches dito, switch 1, and then isang router 1. Okay, so and meron din tayong dalawang task dito, which is yung use the system configuration dialog, configure R1 and switch 1 according to the following, and save the configurations to NVRAM, and ping from switch 1 to R1 to test the configuration. So, unahin na natin itong router 1. CLI, enable, then type natin setup. Ayan. So, pupunta tayo sa system configuration dialog. And guys, so would you like to enter the initial configuration? Yes. Would you like to enter basic management setup? So, ang nakalagay dito is don't use basic management setup. So, ino-no natin to. Yan. First, would you like to see the current interface summary? Yes. Okay. So, ito yung mga current interface summary niya. So, first na gagawin natin is enter host name, which is yung router 1. Ano ba yung nakalagay na router 1 dito sa task natin? Okay, so R1. Yan. Enter enable secret, which is Cisco. And then enter enable password, CCNA. Enter virtual terminal password, CCENT. Configure SNMP network management. Okay, so nakalagay dito is no. So, no natin. Do you want to configure VLAN 1 interface? Okay, so no. No nga nakalagay dito. So, no natin yan. Do you want to configure Gigabit Ethernet 00 interface? Yes. Natin yes. And then, lagyan natin dito yung IP address, which is yung 192.168.1.1. Enter natin. Then, subnet mask for this interface. Pwede nating enter agad to. Pero, so, 0. Yan. Alright, do you want to configure Gigabit Ethernet? No. No. Enter na lang. Yan. Okay, so save this. May tatlo tayong pagpipiliin dito, which is yung isa ay yung una is go to the iOS command prompt without saving this config. Yung pangalawa is return back to the setup without saving this config. And yung pangatlo is yung save this configuration to NVRAM and exit. So, ang nakalagay dito is save the configuration to NVRAM. So, pipilihan nyo yung pangatlo, number 2. Ayan. Okay, so SH run natin. Ayan. So, makikita natin dito na napalitan na yung hostname natin ng R1. Then, yung enable secret, naka-encrypt. Okay, yung enable password, which is yung CCNA. Ayan, guys. Then, ito yung na-configure natin na Gigabit Ethernet 00. Nilagyan natin ng IP address. Ayan, guys. Ito. Then, ito yun, yung line BTY04. So, yung line BTY04 is ginagamit siya for remote access. I mean, para ma-remote access itong R1 natin, like SSH or Telnet. Yan. Then, meron siya password na CCENT. Yan, guys. Ayun lang. Then, tapos na yung router 1. Next is yung switch 1. Figure natin. Okay, so, same din lang dun sa, yung command. Enable, then setup. Then yan, mapupunta na siya sa system configuration dialog. Then, would you like to enter initial configuration dialog? Yes. Then, would you like, no. First, would you like to see the current? Yes. Okay, so ito yung current interface summary. Enter natin yung host name, which is switch 1. SW1, then Cisco, CCNA, then CCENT, yung virtual terminal password. Okay, so configure SNMP network management is no. And then, do you want to configure VLAN 1? Yes. And then, ang IP address niyan is 192.168.1.1. And then, yung IP subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Yeah. Do you want to configure the fast Ethernet? No. Enter lang. Would you like to enable as cluster command switch? No. And guys, number 2, yun natin yung save this configuration to NVM and exit. Ayan. And SH lang tayo. Ayan, hostname switch 1, napalitan namin SW1, enable secret, naka-encrypt. Yan yung Cisco guys ha. Ito yung Cisco. Yung 5 dito is yung type of encryption. Enable CCNA. Okay. Ayun yung VLAN natin. Kinonfigure natin. And dinagyan ng IP address. And that's something else. Okay lang, VTY404 is password, csend. Ayun lang. Then number 2 is ping from switch 1 to R1 to test the configuration. So pagpingin natin. So ping 192.168.1.1 router. Ayan. Okay, so success rate is 80%. Ulit natin para mag 100%. Ayan guys. So success siya. Success rate is 100%, 5.5 round trip. Ayan. Kaya all goods. That's all.